Hello, it's Mr. Thompson here with week 3 of electricity. Today's lesson, you're going to be measuring voltage and current using voltmeters and ammeters. So the learning objectives, first section, measuring voltage on page 10. You should be able to build circuits using a voltmeter in parallel and measure the voltage across a component. Remember, like last week, you'll be building them virtually with my online circuit construction kit. So this is what page 10 looks like. You've got 6 circuits to draw and to build. I'm going to run you through each one. If you prefer, you can use this video and pause it and draw down the diagrams, then build the circuit. Okay, so the first circuit contains one cell, one bulb. The switch is optional. You can put switch in if you like. And the voltmeter is in parallel. That means it goes across that. So what does that look like? In the circuit kit, it looks like that. You can see the circuit and you drag the voltmeter from the right hand side, put it there, and then you put it across the bulb. Now I've given you the first reading. Please don't change the settings on the bulb or the battery or anything else, and you should get the 9 volts. So you write in your workbook 9 capital V. You don't need the 00. So 9 volts, 9V. Okay, the next circuit, you add a cell, so you don't need to change, you don't need to delete or start again. You just simply break the circuit a little bit, put one more cell in, and then make the reading. Close the switch. So same circuit, but with one extra cell. And the reading, there you go, goes up to 18 volts. So you write that in your book, 18V. Next circuit, you add another cell. I'm not going to show you that now. It's over to you to build and to draw in your book and also to write in the value of the voltmeter. And the next one, this time 2 cells, 2 bulbs in series, and the voltmeter goes across both bulbs. What's the difference with this one? It's the same circuit, but this time move the voltmeter so it just measures across one bulb. And then you can have 2 cells, 3 bulbs, the last one, and put the voltmeter just across one bulb. Okay, you're ready to move on to using an ammeter. So you can get rid of the voltmeter and bring in the ammeter. You're going to build circuits using an ammeter in series. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to measure the current and write that into your page 11 book. Okay, so one cell, one bulb, switch, which is optional, and this time you put the ammeter in series. So you break the circuit and it all goes in one loop, which is called a series circuit. So what does that look like? It looks like that. Now the ammeter you see on the right there, you can drag it in, put it in the circuit, will read 0.9. Again, don't change the settings on the battery or the bulb, and you should get 0.9 amps. So you write in your book 0.9 A. You don't need that extra 0. Make sure you use a capital A, like you used a capital V. Not going to build these ones for you. You just add an extra cell, keep the circuit. Again, you don't need to start from scratch. Just put in an extra cell and take the ammeter reading. And then 3 cells with one bulb, take the ammeter reading, write it in your book. Then 2 cells and 2 bulbs in series. And 2 cells with 3 bulbs in series. And finally, 2 cells with 4 bulbs in series. Okay, now you've written all those down. After you've drawn them, you've built them, you've tested them, and now for each one, you've written it in your book, you're going to enter it onto the form. You find the link on the website to the right here, and you can enter all your values in. I will then be able to mark it. You don't need to send me any files or any photographs of your work. I just want to see your values, and I can mark it and tell you how many you got right. And finally, write a conclusion. See if you can find patterns. Did the voltmeter readings go up as you added cells? Did they go down as you added cells? What about the ammeter reading? And also, what happened when you added more bulbs? Did the voltmeter and ammeter readings go up or down? Thanks for watching.